back here on Amy. We got rid of crappy Reman stock starter. Got ourselves a nice little high torque Power Master. That's gonna help us. She's gonna crank a little better, so I'm gonna give her a shot. Gonna give it a try. Come on, Amy. The starter sounds nice. Come on. Well, at least choke adjustment helped. I got her lit. Man, that's nice. So we've had some intermittent brake light working when it wants to going on. I think the pedal itself is binding and making it misaligned, so to speak. So I'm going to just gander at the switch and see what we got. See, I'm off the pedal now, and the lights are on. You can see the reflection in the truck. Gonna kick up on the. Okay. Switch needs adjusting. So our switch was through the hole here where the cruise control on-off switch goes. This is where it's supposed to go in this little guy. So I'm actually going to pry this little guy out because he's being a pain in the ass and slip him on our switch. And sometimes you can get away with not even having the jam nuts. Like Wixcar doesn't have the jam nuts. It's just bottomed out in the little receiver there, and it works perfect. Alright, so that was a bit of a battle, but that's in. But now, I have no brake lights. I think we might have popped the fuse. Oh, there we go. Hey, look. We're working. You can see the reflection of the truck. Let me zoom in on the truck using it as a mirror. Brake lights. Off. On, off. Alright, done. Look, brake lights work. See them in the reflection in the mirror. Yay, got that fixed. So, our light's not working. After I got everything set, was the switch. It started to arc out inside, but I went and looked in the bin of Pontiac parts, and I found the old one. And it works, and it works fine. So this goes bye-bye. Yay, compound problem. But hooray, brake lights that work right. Pretty. And that's all on. Pretty starter. All right.